am Bessie Zastro and we are at the SFPA EXPO in Nashville. We have been setting up this stand to create a welcoming atmosphere for everyone who wants to visit us, have conversations about products and services that we offer.
People don't know what Wood-Mizer now offers. We really do want to show people and tell people about what Wood-Mizer has on the industrial side. We've had tremendous growth in terms of our product range, and that's happened over a short period of time, 3 to 5 years. Over the last few years, we haven't had the opportunities to really be at these types of shows. So really, this is a chance for us to reconnect with our customers.
I'm Colin Campbell. I'm the Industrial Sales Manager for Wood-Mizer in North America. I'm standing next to Walter Cowart, and Walter's with Industrial Cutting Tools out of Quitman, Georgia. They're our newest industrial dealer, and we're very proud to be partnered up with them.
With Industrial Cutting Tools, we have an inside sales team and an outside sales team that cover several states in the South. And moving forward, it just makes sense to push the industrial side of Wood-Mizer equipment.
We have quite a few exciting installations. We have a big installation in Minnesota with Nelson Wood Chims that we recently completed. And we're working on a very exciting project in Arizona. You will soon be hearing from that in the beginning of next year when we complete the project.
Our goal at the show is always to display what we're doing in the industry. We always want to show the newer products that we have. We're doing that with the MR200 gang. We've got a TVS HD here. We've got our BMS 500 sharpener. I would say as important as it is to sell equipment at this show, I think the ability to meet with other vendors, partnerships like ours, those are things that can happen at this show. We're always looking to work with other people in the industry.